Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Maya, and I hope that you're having an awesome day. Today I want to share with you my Ipsy box that I just got in the mail literally right now. So I just wanted to share with you guys what is inside of this box right here. I do have this box membership. It's a larger size than the little Ipsy bag, so you do get 5 full-size products. So let's see what is in our box this month. I haven't looked, so it's all going to be a big surprise, but I'm excited to see what's in it and to see if this box is still worth it. I started switching from the little bags to the boxes recently, and so far it's been really awesome. Like some really high quality products that I've enjoyed a ton. It's $25 a month, so I'll leave the details down below in the description box. Not sponsored or anything, but if you are interested, you can check it out. I take my little scissors and just cut open the little tape right here since it is still sealed. This is a genuine unboxing, okay? Okay, we got it open. Okay, cute. So it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So cute. And this is considered the Glam Bag Plus, but do note you don't actually get a bag in this one, you just get the box and the products. Alright, so we get 5 full-size products. Let's see what's in here. I also added a couple of like add-on items which were additional charges, so I'll let you guys know what the details were around those. So first things first, oh my god. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, which I've heard so many good things about. I've tried their CC cream, I think it was, but I haven't tried just their full coverage moisturizer, and that was actually just in the wrong shade, so I ended up not really using it, but I'm interested in checking this one out. It is in the shade medium, so hopefully that works out well, and it's an SPF of 50, UVA, UVB. I'm actually about to head to the airport in a little bit, so I'm going on vacation, I'm going to Puerto Rico, and I feel like this will be perfect to just like smack on my face and get some good sun protection, but also not have to fuss with like some other foundations. It does say full coverage, but it is a moisturizer, so I think that will be pretty interesting. But I have heard really great things about this product, so let me open it up. I'm gonna just open up the little box. So cute. So it comes like this, and it has the little cap here. It says not for individual sale. Ipsy, how did you get the goods, huh? It looks like it's almost like one of those testers. So it says to apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours. So it does have like those standard cosmetic SPF guidelines on there. But yeah, I'm super interested in seeing how this works. Let me just test a little bit on my hand to see if the shade will be decent. Oh my god, it actually looks like my perfect shade. I'm not even joking. Does it look like me? It does, and it actually has some insane coverage from what I can tell. Like, I actually have like a little scar right here that's completely covered. So, naked, raw hand, ugly, disgusting, putrid, beautiful, glamorous, perfect hand. Wow. Alright, I'm getting carried away. Anyway, so this I think traditionally retails for about $50, and you're getting this in this $25 box, so that is awesome, totally worth it. I'm already loving this month's box just based off of that. Alright, up next is this from Purlisse. I've seen this brand before, but I've never bought anything from them. I think they're skincare. Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer SPF 30 Sunscreen. This is another one I'm taking with me. Like, just a nice good SPF. It says protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily, no white tint, and preps skin for makeup. I haven't really seen any sunscreens claim that it's like a primer as well. Usually it's like a primer that has SPF, but like this SPF is secondary, but this is like it's primarily an SPF, but it also preps your makeup. Interesting. It's probably the same thing, but pretty cool. Okay, up next is this palette. So I got a full size The Balm palette. This is from The Balm. It's in the palm of your hand. I actually love The Balm. They have some awesome products, and to get a full size palette, I'm sure this retails for about $40, but I'll leave all the details down below in the description for you guys. Ooh, I love their packaging. It's just so like retro cartoon cute. Oh, talk about perfect timing. I feel like I'm unboxing this and it's like everything I could use for this trip. So you have all of these eyeshadows up here. You get 5 eyeshadows. You get Meet Matte Trinity, Nude Dude, Rockstar Palette Alice Cooper, Matte Russo, and Mary Luminizer. So actually this one I know is a highlighter for like your face, but you could use it as an eyeshadow, and the rest I believe are all eyeshadows. Let me know if I'm mistaken there, but I'm pretty sure that's accurate just because I have a few of their other palettes and I'm pretty sure they included these two. So really cool. And then you get these cheek products. Also you get a highlighter, so like you can still use this for like all of your cheeks, all of your eyes, pretty much most of your powder products. And here you have Bahama Mama, Down Boy, Frat Boy, and Instain. I actually have been trying to grab a few of these like Instain blushes because they're actually staining blushes, and I feel like for me, maybe it's just me, but I feel like blush is the first thing to go on my face. Like as the day goes by, my blush vanishes. But this should help a good amount, I hope. We'll see. But it's a staining blush, so I thought that was pretty cool, and I'm interested in trying this out. The whole freaking palette, can you believe it? That's pretty awesome. So I'm excited to say the least, and I love the packaging. So cute. Adorable. And yeah, you have all the details in the back, but this is a product you can purchase in store as well. I know that they sell them now at Walgreens, I believe. I was walking around in there the other day and they had some Balm products, so you can check it out there. Oh my god, this box just keeps on getting better and better. Up next, and again, this is all perfect for my trip. Up next, I have a set of brushes from F.A.R.A.H, F.A.R.A.H, but it has little dots in between, so it's F.A.R.A.H. And these are all eye brushes. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eye brushes, which is impressive. So let me crack this thing open so we can feel how they are. Pretty soft. This isn't like the most luxurious brush that I've ever held in my hand or anything, but it's super soft. These are synthetic bristle brushes, and like I said, this is perfect for just taking with you on the go. Bada bing, bada boom, pop it in your handbag, pack it in your suitcase, you know, wherever you need to go. These are just very small, but you know, useful eye brushes. They all look like blending brushes to me. There's like one maybe like shader brush, and then there's like a very fine dome brush, short shading brush, mini tapered blending brush, a large shadow brush, and then a larger tapered blending brush. So a lot of blending that you can do, but pretty cool. All right, last but not least, that came standard in my box was this Ahaha, I believe it's pronounced, Hydration Cream Mask. So I think this is a hair mask. Infuse your thirsty skin with this active hydrating mask. Oh no, it's like a face mask. I don't know, I thought it was a hair mask. It looks like a hair product, but no, it is a face mask that helps to hydrate your skin. This is a bit too big for me to take on the plane with me because I am just doing one carry-on bag, but it's 3.4 ounces. So this tells you to just apply it once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave all night. So pretty much do whatever you want to do. And it's a hydration mask, which I'm actually really thankful for, because even though my skin has been super shiny lately, it's starting to get like a little bit flaky, a little bit dry in a few select areas. So like here along my cheeks, it's definitely been more dehydrated. And even my oily areas, I try to keep a good amount of moisture so that I don't overproduce oil. So that's still important for me. I do a good amount of hydration throughout the week, but I am interested in trying something out that just boosts that a little bit more and just brings the extra step, makes my skin nice and smooth. Yes, please. So let's try this out, and I'll let you guys know if this makes it to my monthly favorites. So those were the 5 standard items that came in my box. From Ipsy's Little Market, I chose 3 additional add-on items. So one of them is this Lit Bretman Rock X Colourpop Collection eyeshadow palette. So let's open this up. So this is a little eyeshadow palette that I think this was just $12. So if you can get a palette for $12, you know, why not? And the colors looked beautiful. So this is the Lit palette. Look how beautiful the packaging looks. Pretty cute. Not the most luxurious, but it's cute. No, this keeps on happening to me. This is the second time I got like an add-on item from Ipsy and it's been broken. So I don't know if you guys can see. I literally just opened this box and that beautiful, like actually I think that would have been my favorite shade. It's the shade called Mercy. It's completely crumbled. Oh, heartbreaking. So I guess I'll try to like mend it back together with alcohol. I'm not gonna like fight them over getting a whole new palette or anything, because I've had them like reship me things before because stuff has gotten lost in the mail. Don't want to go that route, but it's not the end of the world. It's just a little bit annoying, and like I said, I think that's literally the most beautiful color in the palette. The rest of the colors are beautiful. Some other ones that like just stand out to me is Clio Amore, this like beautiful like sunshine golden color. I might take this with me on my trip. Colors are just beautiful. They really are just popping out to me, and I know like fall time these will work, these will work now. I'll just use them whenever I want, okay? Okay, they look awesome. I'm excited to try this out. I'm just sad about that one that we lost. Rest in peace. So sad, too bad. So the next one is this mini little Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is just like a mini body moisturizer. So it's a 72-hour moisture magnet oil in water body cream. So it has like a little seal on it. I'm gonna crack this open because I just wanna. Oh, it smells like coconuts. It smells like the beach and happiness. So I'm gonna take this with me too because this is allowed, like it's TSA regulation size. And like I said, it smells like coconuts and happiness, so it'll just fit my whole vibe since I'm gonna be in the sun, in the happiness of Puerto Rico. So this might be one of the things I'm most excited for because I was super hyped about that foundation. That's an incredible deal right there. But I got this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic, and it's an exfoliating toner. And I don't know, lately I've been really trying to do a good amount of exfoliation, especially any kind of chemical exfoliation, so that this is a glycolic acid toner, and it's gonna help to not only tone your skin, but also remove any of that dead skin that's just sitting there, clogging up the pores and everything. I got the Pixi setting spray recently, and I'm sure you guys saw that in my last video, and I've been loving it. That's been like life. So I think that they're really good at just getting like not only good skincare but like glowy products. So I'm interested in seeing how this works, and I will let you guys know. It says that it gently exfoliates, brightens, and reveals healthy glowing skin for all skin types. It's alcohol free as well, so that's awesome. And yeah, I don't know, I've heard really good reviews on this product specifically. This is 3.4 ounces, 100 ml, so again, safe to take on the flight with me if I choose to. I don't think I will, but it's good to know that you can if you want to. And this is still a good amount of product. Like, this is not small by any means, so yay. Alright, that was that. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was super quick, but I just wanted to run by the products that I received in my Ipsy bag this month. I have a plane to catch in like a couple of hours, so I need to get my ass moving. But if you guys think that this was helpful or useful, or you have any kind of thoughts on what I showed you today, make sure to leave some comments down below. And if you liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Do all of that, you know. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.